Okay, it's Easter Eve, and the kids are getting ready to dye some eggs. We're using we call it whipped topping,
Yep.
and gel food coloring, and you put the eggs in it and kind of surround them in the. Let's see. Go ahead now. Yeah, surround them. That's good. That's good. Oh, that's more than enough.
Because we're not gonna have enough.
Yeah, that's good. That's all you do.
You just need a little bit.
There you go. Good job.
Like that?
Yeah.
No, I don't really know how to do this.
All right, you want Natalie to help you?
You do this one. You push this down.
Perfect.
So now do we grab our eggs?
So hold on. Do you have toothpicks or anything you're going to use?
Yeah, I got
or?
toothpicks right there.
Okay.
So,
Perfect.
Eggs,
Perfect.
Food coloring next.
Holding my egg.
So put the eggs out, and we gotta do a couple drops of food coloring
Of each color?
of whatever colors you want to do. Now you're gonna kind of swirl them and mix them. So if you do like green and blue, I think you're gonna get kind of a brown color.
Yes, I wouldn't.
Or you could maybe do a dark teal, but just don't mix all the colors because then you'll get brown or black.
I want to get gold and blue.
Okay.
Okay. All right, hold on. I'm trying to get this one
I
open.
need that one. I want to do green and red.
Ooh, that's a pretty gold.
All right. I'll pause it till we get ready.
The dyed Cool Whip.
Okay.
Oh, these are hard to open.
Okay, go ahead and drop drip a few in there.
Dripple, dripple, dropple, dropple.
Turn it upside down, Ethan, like Natalie.
It's,
Like that?
oh, yep. And you can do a
You
couple.
don't have to do a lot. That's plenty, Ethan.
Okay.
So to get your toothpick and swirl it around.
What do I get gold in their toothpaste?
Whatever you want.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize that.
That is gold. So I need
Good.
blue.
See, Natalie? Good job, Natalie. Swirl it.
Like that?
Yeah.
How
How-
much do I swirl?
However much you want.
I want that.
All right.
What other colors do we got? I want to do.
I want to do this.
Swirl it around,
Right,
Ethan.
there's green, and you can mix the colors. Yeah.
There you go. Is that you mix it only as much as you want, because if you get a solid color, it's just going to color it.
Yeah. So you're gonna.
That's
kinda,
good, Ethan. I wouldn't do any more than that.
Okay.
Yep. See what Mommy's doing?
Mine's ready.
See, so I'm gonna do that. Okay. Then I'm gonna put my egg in here.
See,
And
watch,
actually, I guess
watch
we kinda
Mommy.
do have
That
to-
was a
Watch
lot.
Mommy.
I guess we do kind of have to
Nope, there you go. And then you kind of
bring it up.
bring it up and over it.
I don't think we put enough Cool Whip in, honey.
Oh no.
Kind of paint your egg. Or
Or roll it.
So we need wood. Whipped cream?
Let me add more.
yeah, add some more whipped cream.
All right, I'm gonna pause.
I
Okay,
want-
we added more with topping. See, Mom's egg. All right, Nellie. Yep, that's good. You want to put an egg in there?
Yeah.
All right, go for it.
I want you, little baby.
All right, put them in. Don't drop it. Yep, push it in a little bit, and then get your
Ethan, can I have some
toothpick.
color, baby?
I need the just like.
Okay, here's.
Yep, bring it up
Here's
over
blue.
No, I need this one.
it.
Oh, okay.
I just want that. I'll just like paint it.
This is my gold.
Go for it.
What's this?
Good job, Natalie.
I'm
This
just
is-
painting.
We've never done this before. We'll see what happens. All right, I'm gonna pause it one more time.
All right, you guys
All
need
right,
to do
we're
more?
making some
Yeah,
progress
I wanna do
here. Yep, we got 1, 2, 3, and almost Ethan's fourth one.
Okay, you do that one. No, I think you're good.
All right, Natalie, show me. Oh, you got to put more color.
We should have got more colors for dye.
Yeah,
Gold.
that's probably good, Ethan.
Well, here, let me try the.
Ethan, that's
color
good,
dye
buddy.
we have. We'll do a comparison.
Okay.
That's the food gel.
Yeah, so this is gel, and then we have food coloring.
What do I get a new one? I have done my
Yes.
You only want to do one, Ethan.
Yes.
Okay. All right, Ethan's done. Just. All right, you want to just put?
All right, how many more eggs we got?
Yes, several.
Now I'm gonna put
So
my
add more. Yeah, do one of the ones for. Go ahead, Natalie. Put it in the orange one.
All right.
Push it in good. There you go. Now paint. Excuse me.
I'm painting an
And Mommy's doing the traditional, food coloring.
Whereas this other stuff is gel.
Yep.
That's what's recommended.
Gel is recommended. Okay. So we'll see what this
For a
does.
brighter, bolder color.
I'm getting whipped topping all over me.
That's okay. It's just whipped topping.
That's good, Natalie. It looks really good.
Okay.
All right. There goes Mom.
I'm gonna
Oh,
do
Mom
one
dropped
more.
it in.
I'm gonna do one.
Do
more.
it.
Go for it. You got
We have
two more there.
3 more we can
Two
do.
more things of whipped topping.
So we just leave them in there now?
Yeah, we're gonna put them in the fridge for a half
Fridge.
hour.
What colors do I want?
All right, I'm gonna pause. Okay, Natalie, you want to show what we have?
I did this one. I did this one. Mommy did this one. I don't know who did that one. I did that one. I did that one. Don't know who did that one. Don't know who did that one. Ethan did that one.
Well, it's very easy because Ethan only did one.
So all the rest must
Yeah.
be Mom.
Okay, so we did 2 different types. We used just great value assorted food coloring, and this is what it really calls for. It's a gel, but we tried both types. So we'll see how it turns out. So now you have to put them in the refrigerator, it says, because we're going to eat these eggs. And we'll let them sit for about a half an hour.
And tomorrow's Easter.
Yep. All right, hold on.
Put it in the water.
Okay, so to recap, here's our,
Just put it in the water. Pick it up.
these are our whipped topping and food coloring.
Put it in the water.
Yep, put it in.
Yeah.
Why not just get rid of them?
And then pull it out.
Do you want to, where you going to put them?
On the paper towel right here.
There you go, Ethan.
Wait. Let's put it back in the water. Put it back in the water. We're gonna put a couple more paper towels down.
Yeah. Do that.
'Cause that
You may
water
want to,
got really dirty really quick.
yeah, you may want to
me-
switch to water because it's going to color the other one.
Do you guys have one of the trays?
I lost my egg. Oh, there it is.
All right,
All
take
right,
it out,
can you
buddy.
get one of the trays? There you go.
All right, I'm going to pause it.
That's fine.
Yeah.
So we got a couple out. We're going to put it back in the fridge and let them dry. What do you think so far, kids?
So I want to touch.
It's unique. I like the marble.
Can I just touch the whipped topping?
Sure, touch it. You're bleeding, Natalie.
You know, it does smell. Can I lick it?
I guess.
No, just, you know, it does
It says
smell
whipped
really
topping.
bad. No, it
All
doesn't.
right.
Yeah, it's just good topping with food dye.
All right, so I'm going to pause it till we get them all out.
Tastes like whipped topping.
Well, actually,
I
here
didn't
comes
put much
Mom.
water in.
Okay.
Do a little bit. See, that one got you colored. You
Yep.
do those two, yeah.
Do those 2 reds, Natalie. I
And
got
I'll
you on
switch out
camera.
The water
No, I
again.
did the reds first.
The reds. That's okay, Natalie. Don't worry about that.
I didn't do anyway.
That's okay.
That's okay.
I still do them.
Yeah. Yeah.
I just put it in.
Yep. Put it in. Don't drop it. Just put it in lightly. There you go. Now let go. Let it go.
That kind of
Swirl it around. And now pick it up.
and put it on the tray.
Put it on the tray. So
They all have stripes.
that is interesting.
It's.
All right, Natalie, get another red one.
Ethan, can I sit down, please?
Yeah, move.
Which one's mine?
It
We have
doesn't
it.
really matter.
It looks like magma.
Okay, let's see how it'll work.
Take it out.
So I just wonder. Well, that's a neat one. And we'll let them dry.
Yeah, okay, let me.
Okay,
You
let
wanna
me
do this
pause.
Yeah.
Okay, well, here's our experiment with some hard-boiled eggs and the whipped topping and food coloring. Yeah,
Colors kind of came off.
yeah. Well, not.
Look at. Why do they have stripes?
I don't know why the stripes are. And yeah, you can see the stripes there. You can see it there.
Kind of see it there.
Yeah,
and there.
they're coming through. The longer they set, even the yellow one now, I could see
Yeah.
the stripes. That's really weird with the stripes.
It is. I don't understand why it has the stripes.
So next time, now it did say to put it recommended soaking the eggs in vinegar first because it gets the shell where it would really absorb the dye. We did not do that, but we're gonna let them dry. Yeah, I think they turned out pretty cool. And we're gonna put them in the fridge and we'll eat them tomorrow.
For Easter.
Yep.
I want to show you.
All right, you want to see? Oh, what are you gonna show?
The bin.
The Benny bin.
The bin. Or
The baskets.
the basket.
Okay, Natalie's got it all set up, and Ethan. Okay, you ready for the Easter bunny?
And that
Very nice, Natalie.
This is Bunny Bud. We
Okay.
haven't named the rest of them.
Okay.
And then have our baskets.
Very
This is
nice.
Ethan's, this is mine. And for mine, you can change the leaves.
All right. You want to say goodbye?
Bye. Bye. Watch other videos. Subscribe.
And happy Easter.